This is the Jig Master system from Kreg. This is the perfect tool for the woodworking enthusiast. It features a solid clamp, large clamping recess, dust collection attachment, material support stop, and a removable 3-hole drill guide. This jig has everything. The large clamping recess makes it easy to secure to the workbench, while the removable drill guide can serve as many different tools. In addition, the dust collection shroud collects the overflow of wood chips. It's constructed from a heavy-duty glass-reinforced nylon composite material that offers resiliency and flexibility, and it's designed for use with materials 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inch thick. The system includes the K4 jig, face clamp, portable base, drill guide spacer, material support stop, dust collection system, 3/8 inch step drill bit, 6-inch square driver, 3-inch square driver, screw set, pocket hole plug set, and an owner's manual. The Kreg Jig Master system is the perfect tool for the DIYer, now at the Home Depot.